Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA 2K on PC. First, confirm your computer meets the game's minimum specifications for smooth gameplay. Next, acquire the game from a trusted digital platform, like Steam, and proceed with the installation. This usually takes up around 100 gigabytes of hard drive space. Finally, connect your preferred controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, as it offers the most intuitive way to play. Now, let's cover the fundamental controls. Use the left analog stick to navigate your player across the court. To pass the ball, simply press the button on an Xbox controller or X on a PlayStation gamepad. For a bounce pass, hold down the B button on Xbox or circle on PlayStation. When you're ready to shoot, press the X button on Xbox or square on PlayStation. Practice these basic movements to get comfortable. Moving on to offense, mastering a few key strategies will elevate your game. Employ the pick and roll by holding the left bumper to call for a screen, opening up scoring lanes. Use the right analog stick for various dribble moves, creating separation from your defender. Quick, precise passes to open teammates are crucial for efficient scoring. When the lane is clear, drive aggressively to the basket for high-percentage layups or powerful dunks. Finally, let's talk about defense, which is just as vital as offense. Hold the left trigger to maintain a strong defensive stance, staying in front of your opponent. Use the right analog stick to effectively contest shots and block attempts, disrupting their rhythm. To attempt a steal, press the X button on Xbox or square on PlayStation with precise timing. Remember to press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to grab those crucial rebounds after a missed shot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.